Remember this fan, guys? So this is the vintage fan that I disassembled the last time, just a recap. And I found the problem with this fan to be is this one right here. You see how loose this one is? And also this one. See how loose those are? So every time you would press any of these buttons up here, the little vibration and the shakes would just cause a spark over there, and it sometimes would register as off and it would turn off the thing. So that was creating some problems. So what I'm gonna do now is to solder it. Finally, I have some time to do this. I've been quite busy all week, but now I get to do this, so let's get it done. So I am taking the opportunity to clean this thing quite thoroughly as well. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and screw the bottom back on. Okay, so let's do a quick test of how it's operating so far. You can see that it's moving, and the noise and the vibration is also significantly lower. That's the 2 setting. Sounds really good. No crazy noises. Number 3. Very, very smooth. See that? That's what we call smooth. Very little noise. And let's rotate it.